Rewarded Play can use your phone's battery because it requires your device to stay active while you play games, check progress, and interact with the app. By the end, you'll know why Rewarded Play may affect battery life, how to reduce battery usage, and what settings to check on your phone. Section 1 is understanding why battery usage happens. Any app that keeps your screen on, uses your processor, or runs in the background can contribute to battery drain. Rewarded Play is designed around playing mobile games and tracking activity, so your phone is doing more work while you use it. The biggest battery impact usually comes from the games connected to the app, rather than simply having the app installed. A game with longer sessions, higher graphics, or more active use can require more power from your device. If you notice battery usage while using Rewarded Play, check whether the games you are playing are the main source of activity. Section 2 is how to reduce battery drain while using Rewarded Play. Start by lowering screen brightness. The display is one of the main parts of a phone that uses power during active use. Next, close apps you are not using. Background apps can continue using system resources even when you are focused on another activity. You can also review your phone's battery settings. On both Android and iPhone devices, battery menus show which apps are using power and can help you identify what is affecting your battery. If a specific game connected to Rewarded Play uses a lot of battery, shorten your play sessions or take breaks between sessions. This reduces the amount of time your phone is actively running the game. Section 3 is when to check your phone settings. If your battery drains quickly even when you are not using Rewarded Play, the issue may involve other apps, phone settings, or battery health. Check for app updates because newer versions can include fixes and improvements. Also make sure your phone's operating system is updated, since system updates can affect how apps run. You do not need to delete Rewarded Play just because your battery changes while gaming. First, check your battery usage screen and identify which app is using the most power. The key points are simple. Rewarded Play can contribute to battery usage because it involves active mobile gaming and app tracking. The games you play, screen time, and phone settings all affect power use. Your next step is to open your phone's battery settings, check which apps use the most power, and adjust your settings if needed. If this guide helped you understand Rewarded Play battery usage, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.